If thou ve been cute lot everywhere on the web in the recent pair of weeks, thou'll include no question go through number 10-year challenge on public print. If no, the room is easy. Position a 2009 picture of oneself following to a ladder A, to show how lot thou ve modified. Millions include undertaken portion, but several include criticized it for creature, amongst some things, selfish, ageist and occasionally a bit sexist. But now human beings are with the hashtag to represent on greater changes. Such as so. In the chirp, football player Mesut Ozil compares which appears to be a big berg on the leftward, and a molten berg on the order. The, they tell, is substantially downward to growing world temperature creature engrossed by oceans. The Earth's ordinary shallow heat has rising by on with the deceased 19th age, and on a tertiary of how has happened in the recent 10 years. Ecological militant groups are as well with the hashtag to allocate the question. The position of Greenpeace bends the problem a beat, by comparing archive photos of 1928 in images undertaken by Swedish photograph Believer Östlund in 2002. And Martin Kobler, the Deutsche envoy to Pakistan, tweeted out an paper on environment changing in the Pakistan area of Balochistan. Number 2008 against 2018 and it's nearly unchanged. Number how hard did aging hit you? Number 10-year challenge it can get hundreds of year for one. End of Facebook position by WWF Philippines. The year 2018 was while the planet very woke up to the fact of plasticity contamination as so as environment changing. So several campaigners are laid the number 10-year challenge on its chief to show how time we might include modified a lot in the recent 10 years, the plasticity we cast off remnant nearly precisely the identical. Human beings are as well dividing several of the things how seem to include superior above the recent 10 years. Yet, sorrowfully, that doesn't show the entire image. Time excess poverty reduction is at its minimum standard globally, it is yet receive quickly worst in submarine Saharan Africa, wherever the ordinary excess poverty reduction bet is now on 41%. And though youthful competence has enlarged common, it's yet minimum in less than advanced countries, and it affects youthful female more than rather than men. On to the largest ladder information, 59% of all ignorant youthful are girls. Time ecological harm is yet really lot in question, down there's no doubt how knowledge of it has enlarged, guideline lot human beings and countries to try and selector to stable source of power.